Hey guys, today we're making a wild turkey cornbread skillet pot pie.
If you love pot pies and cornbread, this recipe is for you. To get started, we'll melt butter in a cast iron skillet, then add in diced onions and celery and sweat them down for 10 minutes. Then we'll add in minced garlic and cook it until it's fragrant. Then we'll sprinkle flour over top and cook it until the flour has cooked out about 3 minutes. Then we'll add in frozen mixed vegetables, thyme, salt, and black pepper. We will let that cook for another minute, then we'll slowly mix in our chicken stock. The point of mixing it in slowly is to keep a thick mixture as it cooks. Once we've finished adding all the chicken stock, we can add in heavy cream using the same concept. Then we'll add in our already cooked wild turkey, and for this recipe I love to use some leftover smoked wild turkey. I think it adds a great flavor to the recipe. Now we'll get started on the cornbread. For that, we'll combine the dry ingredients. We'll need cornmeal, all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Then in a separate small bowl, we'll combine buttermilk and 1 egg and then pour it into our dry ingredients and then mix it using a spatula. Then we can pour our cornbread mixture evenly on top of the pot pie using a spatula to even it out if needed. Now it doesn't look like much, but I promise it's going to rise. We'll place it in the oven and cook for 30 to 45 minutes at 425. Then once it's done, we'll pull it out of the oven, garnish with some parsley, and we're ready to serve.